Hey, so good morning, guys. We haven't done anything yet. I just woke up and was coming to get some towels, and I saw the sunset, or the sunrise, I should say. Thought I should shoot it for you guys. That's Norwegian's private island and the Norwegian Bliss. And a little bit further over to the right, we have Coco Cay. We are docked and ready to roll. So we have a big day ahead of us planned. I'm going to go to the other side of the boat and show you where we're docked and the actual docking now that you can actually dock at Coco Cay and no longer tender in. And we'll see if anybody's getting off. So there's the dock. As you can see, they're getting ready for all of us to disembark. And there's the construction for Perfect Day at Coco Cay. A little bit more construction at the end. It looks like they're still extending the dock out a little more. And Perfect Day Coco Cay. We will be somewhere on the back side of the island for our beach bed today. There it is again, a little bit closer up now for you guys. The dock that we're going to be walking down shortly. All the way down, it's a Perfect Day at Coco Cay, which we won't be going to today. And on the back side, you can kind of see over there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. So you can see the jumping set, the floating water park. We're on the back side there with the beach bed, and a little over to the right here. And this is the island completely. It's a little loud here because I'm by the flow riders. Everything's loud by the flow rider. They always got music blaring back here. Their heads up for you guys. They don't open the pools first thing in the morning. The hot tubs do appear to be open, or some of them appear to be open, but the pools are not. They usually clean them at night, and they don't always have a lifeguard on duty, so they don't leave the pools open all the time. In your cruise compass, it does say what the pool hours are. As you can see, the hot tubs are running right now, but the pools do not always run. Even the big hot tubs on the top there, those are two big hot tubs, and they're also on. But both pools are closed. And I walked over to the solarium just a minute ago, and the solarium pools were closed as well.
Hello, we are on Coco Cay, and we just had some breakfast, and we had a really good omelet. Brandon had French toast, and so now we're waiting to be picked up by the shuttle for our beach bed. We're gonna go over there and we will show you guys the cool beach bed, and we actually got lunch with it too, which is cool. So we're going to come back when we are over there, but there's a lot of construction, as you can see over there. Hopefully it's a little quieter where we are. But standing right here, it's pretty loud.
Alright guys, we just got on, or where our beach bed is, and we're walking down to it. Me and Kaylee are the first ones here. No one else is here yet. So these are the beach beds. As you can see, we are the first one here. We're way down here at the end, second to last. And it is quiet. You don't really hear any of the construction down here, it seems. And you hear a little bit of it in the background if you listen. But you don't really hear much of it.
And it's like, oh.
And I believe we are this one right here, second to last.
This one?
Yeah. We are number 8.
I know, I'm looking for numbers.
They're on the back. Look right there. There's a woodpecker on the tree. Right on the tree next to us.
Look at, they're looking at us. Hi.
Yeah, they want us to feed them. What's this woodpecker? Look at the coconuts up there. Oh, see the woodpecker up there?
Oh, I want a picture of this.
I can't get him though. He seems to keep avoiding. There he is. Stop avoiding me. And here we are, number 8. We get these 2 beach mats, these lovely 2 chairs. So I'll walk around Kaylee because she's shooting as well for the other video. These are our 2 beach beds. 2 beach chairs, our beach bed. We get 4 bottles of water, which we get unlimited water because we have the drink plan, but It comes with 4 bottles of water if you don't have a drug plan and you're getting this. And this is our beach bed. So this is the view from our beach bed, guys. We're just laying here. It's wicked comfortable, nice big beach bed. It's wicked quiet back here right now because, like we were saying a second ago, there's no one else here.
It's so nice.
It's sweet. This is awesome. So worth the money. I think we paid like $100, $110.
25, I think.
It was.
You get just all of this.
You get all of it. It's just what a good deal.
Even better deal if you have 4 people, because then it's $125 for 4, whereas we just got it for 2.
Yeah.
So it's an even better deal if you have more than 2 people.
Yeah.
But I don't know if 4 people would fit on this bed comfortably. Like, it is a big bed, but like it kind of takes away from it. So I would definitely.
Yeah, if you have 4 people, you're probably going to be looking at like 2, maybe 3 people on the bed. But you do get 2 chairs, you do get 2 beach mats, like, so it's not a terrible, like, you're not going to be crowded. Like, there's plenty of stuff for people to sit on. For just me and Kaylee, as you can see, looking down all the beach beds, there's no one. There he is. Oh, he flew away. Kaylee's down there by the water. Hanging out.
So lunch has arrived.
Yes.
We took a little nap and want to show them. So for your app, we get
So my appetizer, I have chips and salsa, and it looks like there's guac and sour cream on them as well. And then me and Kaylee both got chicken sandwiches.
which we didn't know was a sandwich. We thought it was just grilled chicken.
Yeah. And then I got a cookie.
And we also got Lay's chips.
Yeah, which they gave us for free.
Yeah. And then I got a Caesar salad. I got the chicken sandwich, my Lay's chips, and then I also got fruit salad. So this all came with it. Also, guys, our water is like really nice water.
Yeah.
Like, it's not their bottled water they have on the ship. They gave us Evian water, which is very nice.
Yeah.
And I just realized when I looked in the cooler.
Yeah, I didn't realize it earlier either.
Yeah. So we're next to like the loudest people on this beach. Like, they are so loud. They're like talking at levels that are unnecessary. And they also have music playing. And so I'm surprised I was able to sleep. Because like
They're very loud.
Yeah. But other than that, it's very good. It's very quiet. And also the water here is like, it's fine, but there's a lot of seaweed in it, or like plants. So we might go down further later to the floating beach, so that we can, the floating bar area, because last time we were down there, it's just sand. So we both really want to like swim, but it's not really a.
We saw people walking out, and like they were walking through the seaweed, and he like sunk in. 'Cause it's just mud.
It's like a mud flat. So
It's
and
really
it smells.
weird.
It smells.
Yeah, it does have a stench to it.
I'm like
low tide.
I'm fairly surprised at that when it's like that over here, but I don't know. So we're gonna go after lunch and try and see if we can find a better spot to go swim and snorkel around maybe.
Hey guys, so me and Kaylee just took a walk down the beach. Our beach bed is down there all the way, or the second to last one. As you can see, it's really low tide. People can walk way out right now. Like, those people are way out there. And it only looks like it's like waist deep. And there's really cool stuff everywhere. We found a bunch of conch shells and a bunch of really like fish swimming around, a lot of sea life around here. We were just on that floating bar right there, which it's not really floating right now because the tide is so low. So I think it's pretty much beached, because normally you get on it and it moves around and you can feel it kind of moving. Right now it's not, but it's still really cool that it's out in the water. You gotta walk out there to get to it. There's a cool guy up there playing some music, which we enjoyed, and we sat there, had a drink, and having a good time. So
Feeling good.
yeah, we are. We're feeling really good. We just wanted to touch base with you guys, kind of show you what we're doing, and
This water is
like bath water.
it's bath water.
It is literally like
so
bath water.
good.
It's so nice.
I would say it's like 84, 85 degrees.
The water?
Yeah,
I'd say it's probably right around 70 to 80 degrees. Yeah.
it's way warmer than 70.
You think so?
Yes. It's
I
like,
don't know. I'm bad with
think about,
temperature.
like,
I don't have
if
temperature
If you
senses.
think about like pool water,
normal pool water is like, you know, you want it to be like 80, and that's like comfortable when you first get in. It's like chilly. This is not chilly.
No,
at all. The
not at
surface
all.
is so warm.
And it is super hot out. Like,
yeah,
we were laying in our beach bed and it was really nice, but now it's like,
although in the
it's
water,
hot.
it's nicer. I think.
Oh yeah, just having like, I'm only up to like maybe not even my waist standing in the water. Like you can see that Kaylee's not even up to her waist,
I'll go down then.
and it's beautiful. It's so nice outside. There's like barely any clouds in the sky today. It has been literally perfect all day long. So we're gonna go do some more stuff. We'll touch base with you guys. We're gonna do some snorkeling, and we're gonna go see the other side of the island too again. There's the water park over there, which you can pay. That's an extra excursion you can do, and there's a couple slides and some rock stuff to climb, or not rock, but some climbing walls and a bunch of cool stuff like that too. But we'll touch base with you guys in a little bit.